Hi, welcome to In and Around Computer. In this video, we are going to see how to use the group option in Microsoft PPT to create an amazing presentation. Now we can open a PPT file and there we can choose a blank presentation and we can change the slide layout like this as blank, and now we can insert a favorite shape. I'm choosing a rounded rectangle, and now you can paste the same thing. This is of your choice. You can do it with any shape. I'm doing like this just to give you an idea. And now you can paste the same shape little larger. And paste like this. You can make a thing like this, and then now we can select all the shapes, and then you can right click there. You will have an option group, and after grouping you can uh, come to the thing format shape, where you can fill the shapes using the picture like this. You can insert a picture from your thing, that is you're going to create a presentation about India like this, you can create it, and you can insert a text box like this, and you can write it India, and you can change the size, and you do it like this, it will be nice, it will look nice. So this group option is very helpful to create an amazing presentation like this. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented.